What happens when Bollywood Mr. Perfectionist admits he wasn't so perfect after all? Amir Khan has finally opened up about the Lal's shocking mistakes behind Lal Singh Chadda, from a ballooning budget of rupees 200 crore to his own admission of overconfidence that cost him dearly. This is the rare moment when Amir Khan pulls back of the curtain on what went wrong, and trust me, you don't want to miss it. Hi everyone, I am Shruti and you're watching In the Arena. If you love Bollywood and Hollywood updates, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss the stories that matter. In this recent interview on Komal Nata's YouTube show Game Changers, Amir Khan confessed that he completely misjudged the economics of Lal Singh Chadda. Usually, Amir puts every film thought what he calls an economic filter, ensuring budgets match the film realistic earning potential. But this time he admitted he was riding high on stake, hits and grew confident. The result, a film cost nearly rupees 200 crore, when in reality he says it should have been capped between rupees 50 and 80 crore. Amir revealed that while he expected that the film to earn around rupees 120 crore, he still went ahead with an oversized production. Several factors added to the cost. COVID delays, where he kept paying his crew even when shoots were on hold, expensive overseas schedules, and even an elaborate sequence shoot in China that never made it to the final cut. Creatively, the film faced challenges, being a remark of the Hollywood classic Forrest Gump. Expectations were sky high. Amir admitted that in some parts his performance may felt like overacting. Even later, S.S. Rajmouli told him that some scenes came across exaggerated, which struck a chord with an actor. When Lal Singh Chadda released in August 2022, it received mixed reviews and failed to take off in India, but interestingly, it did much better overseas, becoming one of the highest grossing Hindi films internationally. That even when surpassing hits the Kashmir Files and Bubulaya too in some markets. Looking back, Amir says the biggest lessons he learned in that passion must be balanced with discipline. He now believes no matter how exciting a project feels, financial capping and creative resistance are essential for fans. The candid admission is rare. The glimpse of Bollywood's biggest star acknowledging his flaws and vowing to do better. So, what do you think? Was Amir honestly refreshing, or do you feel he should never have attempted a remake of Forrest Gump in the first place? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Indori Nerd for more insider stories.